Yes, hello students. In the previous video we have done till to exercise 2.3 question number 2. Here we have question number 3 part number 1. Again we just have to simplify this question by using law of exponent, and I hope that you have understood the law of exponent very keenly. Moving towards question number 3 part number 2. Again this question is same. Here this is root, the power of root is 1 by 2. Here it is 0.04. What you have to do with 0.04 is, this is basically decimal, you have to write this decimal into fraction, so it will be 4/100, and then you have to cancel each other, it will become 1/25. Similarly, by using law of exponent you have to solve this question as well, and I hope that you will face no query in this question. Still, if you face any question in this question, you can contact me, you can ask me wherever you get stuck. Moving toward next question, question number 3 part number 3. This is very important question. This is again the law of exponent. How we have to implement law of exponent here, just have a look over here. Class, this is basically 5 power 2 power 3, so it would be, this is 5 power 2 power 3, as we do not have any bracket here, so how you have to write it is basically, this is 2 power 3 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, so it would be 8, it would be 5 power 8. So in this scenario it is basically 2 power 3 as 2 into 2 into 2, that's why you have to write it as 5 power 8 divided by, here we have 5 power 2 into 3. Here according to law of exponent your 3 will be multiplied with 2, so it will become 5 into 3 into 2, 6, 5 power 6. So this is basically division sign, you can write it in a fraction form. After writing in a fraction form, just get this denominator into numerator. Why? Because your bases are same. So according to law of exponent, if your bases are same, then you you have a quotient, then your power will be subtracted with each other, and this is 5 power 2, and 5 power 2 is basically 25. Why? As 5 power 2 is basically 5 into 5, so 5 into 5 is equal to 25. So this is how you have to solve question number 3 part number 3. Your question number 3 part number 4 is similar to question number 3 part number 3, similarly to this. So I hope that there is no more question in this part as well. Still, if you face any query, any problem, any question, then you can ask me. This question number 3 part number 4 is similar to question number 3 part number 3, and as we have now we are done with exercise 2.4 complete. So if you face any question regarding this exercise, you can ask me directly, or you can write me, or you can send me a screenshot wherever you get stuck, and this is your homework as well. So I am going to share the screens, like screenshots, or I will take the snaps of the solutions, and I will be sharing the solutions in the group as well. From there you have to complete your notebook as well. So your homework will be complete your exercise 2.4. So you have to complete exercise 2.4, and I will be sharing the solutions as well. Again class, if you feel any question regarding exercise 2.4, you can ask me directly, you can WhatsApp me, you can write me, or you can take the screenshots or snaps of your questions where you get stuck and share it to me, and I will definitely be answering your questions. Now students, we will see in the next lecture, and our next lecture will be on Saturday. Till that, take care student. Allah Hafiz.